In this Bybit sign-up tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your account, complete KYC step-by-step, enable strong security, deposit funds, and unlock up to $30,050 in welcome rewards if available in your region. To land on the exact sign-up page I'm using, tap the link in the description. When you register, enter the referral code BONUS8888 if it isn't auto-filled. Type BONUS888 yourself before you continue. This video is educational, not financial advice. Crypto is risky, only invest what you can afford to lose. Here's what you'll learn in minutes. Bybit sign up, Bybit KYC, Bybit Rewards Hub, two-factor authentication, anti-phishing code, first deposit, and how to avoid beginner mistakes. Before we start, prepare your ID or passport. Make sure you're in a bright room for a clear selfie and have a stable internet connection. Double check that your account name matches your document exactly. Now let's sign up on Bybit. Open the link in the description and click sign up. Choose email or mobile. Enter your details and create a strong password you haven't used anywhere else. When you see the field for invite or referral code, type BONUS8888. This helps you access eligible welcome perks tied to your region and campaign. If the code is already there, great, leave it as is. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and confirm your account. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check spam or junk and request a new code. Account created. Let's secure it immediately. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. Back up your recovery codes and store them safely offline. Set an anti-phishing code, a short phrase that appears in official Bybit emails so you can spot fakes instantly. Next, we'll finish KYC so you unlock higher limits and full features. Open identity verification. Select your country, choose your document type: ID card, driver's license, or passport, and follow the prompts. Upload clear photos of the document front and back. Avoid glare, keep all corners visible, and remove plastic sleeves. When it asks for a selfie or liveness check, center your face, remove hats or glasses, and follow the on-screen instructions. Submit and wait for review. It's often quick, but timing can vary. If you're rejected, read the reason, retake the photos carefully, and resubmit. Great, KYC complete. Now let's add funds. Depending on your location, you can use bank transfer, card, or deposit crypto from another wallet. Fees and speed vary. If you're nervous, start with a tiny test amount to build confidence. Before your first trade, decide your approach. If you're learning, keep it simple. Focus on liquid assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum and consider dollar cost averaging to reduce stress. Now let's talk about rewards. Open Rewards Hub or Task Center inside Bybit. You'll see the current welcome offers for new users. The total headline can be high, sometimes over $30,000, but the exact amount, the tasks, and your eligibility depend on your region and the active campaign. Some rewards are trading credits rather than cash you can withdraw directly. You use credits to trade. Any profit you make may be withdrawable, depending on the terms. Always read the task details carefully. Work through the simple tasks one by one. Verify account, make your first deposit, complete a first trade, or meet a small volume target if required. Track your progress in the hub and claim rewards as they unlock. If you're ready for a first buy, here's the fast version. Go to trade, choose your pair. Like BTC, USDT, a market order buys instantly at the best available price, easy, but it can slip during big moves. A limit order lets you set your own price, more control, but it may not fill immediately. For your first purchase, a small market order is fine. Double-check the asset and the amount, then tap buy. Nice work, your first Bybit order is done. Let's keep you safe with quick mistakes to avoid. Beware of phishing. Only use bookmarked official links. No real support will ever ask for your password or your seed phrase. Verify addresses and networks before any withdrawal. If a coin needs a memo or tag, like XRP or XLM, include it, skip it, and your funds can be delayed. Don't reuse passwords, keep 2FA on. And avoid leverage until you have a proven plan. If something looks off, pause, double-check, and ask in official channels. Rules and promotions differ by country and change over time. Always follow local laws and confirm what's supported in your area. Here's your quick checklist. Create a Bybit account. Enter bonus 8888 sign-up. Complete KYC. Enable 2FA and your anti-phishing code. Make a small test deposit. Visit Rewards Hub to unlock your welcome perks. Place a tiny first order when you're ready. If this tutorial helped, please like the video so more beginners can find it, and subscribe for upcoming guides on deposits, withdrawals, and secure wallets. To reach the exact page I showed, tap the link in the description. Make sure the referral field shows bonus 8888 before you continue. Trade carefully, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.